Hi, I am Devorshi Nath. I teach in Kingston Polytechnic College, that is a constituent of Kingston Educational Institute situated in Barasat, North 24 Parganas, in West Bengal state of India. I teach in Kingston Polytechnic College. My designation is lecturer in Civil Engineering Department. Talking about online education, in these trying times, not only KPC Kingston Polytechnic College but also Kingston Educational Institute is trying hard and its teachers are trying hard to impart online education to not only our students but also the local students in our community. Actually, what we miss the most about our college is that the students, the physical chalk and talk method, the students sitting in front of us asking us questions, we are conducting practicals in front of them. Okay, this cannot be replaced so easily by the online methods. However, in these trying times during this period of lockdown, these online teaching methods are keeping us connected with our students. It is enhancing the students' capability to learn. It is a modern method of teaching, and it has broken the barriers of time and the distance. Okay, students from anywhere in the world, anywhere in their uh, house can listen to our lectures, and they can ask us questions, and in this way the virtual classroom process is helping both the students and the teachers during this lockdown period. The methods that we use in conducting these online classes are YouTube classes, YouTube capsules, giving assignments in the Google app and also correcting the assignments, conducting virtual classes and practical classes in the Zoom app, and for maintaining a communication chain with the students we use the WhatsApp app. Okay, in Kingston Polytechnic College we remain in touch with the students through this online system 24 into 7, and also with the local students we are conducting external classes for those underprivileged rural students who cannot afford education during these trying times and cannot go to school as their schools are under lockdown process. Through virtual classes, through WhatsApp groups, and through YouTube capsules, I think in coming times these virtual education processes would be a future of not only India but also world. It will change the process of teaching and learning not only in India but also all over the world. Now, there are three tips for the students which are who are sitting at home and seeing these virtual classes. First tip is that motivate yourself to study daily. Motivate yourself to listen to these videos and to those audios carefully, and practice those PDF files that are shared by the teachers. Actually, if you think properly, it is more or less similar to the normal chalk and talk process we use in the class. And to the teachers, to the teaching community who are trying their level best to maintain continuity of education during these trying times, first, there my three helpful advices. First, be tech savvy, learn about more and more technical objectives of these online education methods, more tools which can be used properly in these methods, and be clear and generous to your students. In this way, we can fight the virus pandemic, and also we can maintain a continuity of education system not only in West Bengal but also in India and also throughout the world. Thank you.